Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device. First, let's open the browser. To do it, tap on the Google folder right here and tap on the Chrome icon. Now let's tap on the More Options icon right here in the top right corner and select History. Here we can remove sites one by one from the history by just tapping the X button next to them, like this. Or we can just tap on Clear Browsing Data on the tab. Here we can choose between Basic or Advanced. The difference is that in Advanced we can select more types of data to clear than in Basic. Here we can also select the time range, and when you tap on it, you can choose between last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. We're gonna select all time. And once you're done choosing your options, tap on Clear Data right here. And as you can see, the history was removed. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.